Hi guys, the purpose of this video is to help you get started in MOM. MOM stands for My Open Math. It's the software that we'll be using for doing all of your homework and an occasional quiz. It's online, it's free. There's a few things I want to show you once we get into MOM, but let's get started. To get started, we type in myopenmath.com. And we go to Mom's homepage, starting page. Now, assuming you haven't done this already, we're going to register as a new student right here, new student, boom. And it sends you to a page where you have to type in stuff. Your username could be anything you want it to be. It could be your name, it could be something special, but I'm going to go Pet Boys. Okay. And my password is going to be Manny Jack. Anybody remembers that? Confirm it. Name will be Joe. My last name will be Blow. I don't get in trouble. My email address will be me. And I'm 13 years old, at least physically, maybe not emotionally or mentally. I've read the terms. Yes. Now, here's the first key thing. The course ID. I sent you guys a letter, an email letter a few weeks ago or a couple days ago, and the information was there. However, I'll do it again. It's 112512. That's the course ID. The enrollment key is Foster Fall 2021. Before I hit the sign up, I need you to watch this. Look at how Foster Fall is written. It's one word, okay, but the F are capitalized. So there's no spaces. Foster Fall 2021, okay, and the Foster and the Fall are capitalized. So we'll hit sign up. Oh, Pet Boys. Boys 1, 2, 3. Okay, sorry, I did this earlier. Okay, create a new account. Yes. Okay, I've been enrolled. Now, return to the login page. That just enrolled you. Now, when you want to actually use MOM to do homework, you have to go through this process. You have to type in your name, Pet Boys. The email or the password was, and it'll get me going. Okay. So welcome to My Open Math, Joe Blow, and this is the course we want to take. A couple things I want to show you on this. Each one of these colored strips is like a giant folder containing lots of information. Welcome, got a lot of information in there. Read it at your own leisure. Before we start, it's kind of important because it talks about there's going to be it's got a lot of information. It talks about a quiz that you're going to have to do on MOM. Practice on that. I have some resources to help you. Where to go on campus, where to go on the web, okay? And some course information, academic honesty policy, our syllabus, our schedule, everything like that, okay? And, of course, no one's going to read that, and then you're going to all yell and scream and complain that I didn't know, but try it. The important thing is here with these tabs. One's called Elementary Algebra, the other's called Intermediate Algebra. I'll explain in class more about that, but most people just want to get going on their homework. So you tap Elementary Algebra, and these are the chapters that we have. Okay? First chapter, Foundations. The key here is anything with a pad and pencil on it, with that icon, pad and pencil, okay, is an assignment that you could actually do. You do the assignment totally on MOM, on the software, completely on MOM, and you're done. That's it. You do it. I get the information later. You have about an infinite number of times to try it before it's due. Notice the due date is Monday, September 6th, so you have a long time. But school gets complicated, everything gets complicated. So the sooner you start, the better you are. Okay, and with that, we're done.